TechTop Technology Limited is a leading manufacturer of computer and smartphone tablet accessories. TechTop Technology Limited is established in year 2001, a Hong Kong-based company. In year 2002, we set up a sales office in Shenzhen, China. In the year 2003, we set up a new manufacturing plant in Shenzhen, China. The name TechTop, meaning we are always stand on top of technology. We are always moving forward with the development of USB, from USB 1.1 to the latest USB 4. We have our own R&D team to after-sales service team. We make you confident and convenient. Our 10,000 SQM manufacturing plant is a 7 floors building, with approximately 400 manufacturing workers. In year 2015, we added the latest production lines to meet the demand. Total up to 12 production lines at this moment. Cable production line. Aluminum foil peeling. Wire decoring. Inner molding. Tin soldering. Automatic soldering. Semi-finished product testing. Product assembly line. Laser etching. Automatic labeling. Shrink wrapping. Shrink wrapping. Finished product testing. Incoming material inspection. Temperature humidity test. This helps measure the reliability of the product under the conditions of different combinations between temperature and humidity. Wire bending test. This helps measure the durability of the cable under frequent bendings. Port test. This helps measure the performance, effectiveness, and durability of the ports under frequent insertions. Shock test. This helps measure the durability of unexpected impacts, such as accidental drops. Quality is our commitment to all of our customers. With more than 20 years of experience in this industry, today we have wide customer network spreading all over the world. We cherish every chance of cooperation with clients. We look forward to collaborating with you in nearest future.